Want to change your Rogers Wi-Fi password but don't want to use the app? You can do it through your modem's admin page, also called the web interface. This method gives you direct access to your modem's settings. As of November 2025, Rogers still supports this method for most modems, including Hitron Coda series, Technicolor XB6, and newer models like the Hitron EN2251 or XB7. First, connect to your Rogers modem's network via Wi-Fi or Ethernet cable. Open a web browser and type in your modem's IP address. Common Rogers modem IP addresses are 192.168.0.1 or 192.168.1.1. You'll be prompted to log in. The default login is usually located on a sticker on your modem or can be found in your Rogers documentation. Common default credentials are username qsadmin and password for Hitron models, or username admin and password admin for Technicolor models. Important: change these default credentials immediately for security reasons. Once logged in, look for a section labeled Wireless, Wi-Fi, or Network. The exact wording may vary depending on your modem model. This section is where you'll find your Wi-Fi settings. In the Wi-Fi settings, you'll see your current Wi-Fi name, SSID, and password. This is what the admin interface looks like, where you can view and modify your network settings. To change your password, simply type in a new, strong password. A strong password should be at least 12 characters long and include a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. For the best security, ensure your modem is using WPA3 encryption if available. WPA3 offers stronger protection against unauthorized access than older WPA2 standards. After changing your password and encryption settings, save your changes. Your modem will likely reboot to apply the new settings. Once the modem restarts, all your devices will need to reconnect to the Wi-Fi network using the new password. As a security tip, consider enabling a guest network to give visitors internet access without sharing your primary Wi-Fi password. You can also use MAC address filtering to restrict which devices can connect to your network. If you have trouble accessing the modem admin page, double-check that you are connected to your Rogers home network and that you've typed the correct IP address into your web browser. If problems persist, try rebooting your modem by unplugging it for 30 seconds and then plugging it back in. And as always, consult Rogers' official website or contact their support for model-specific instructions.